Right, so Trinity baseball box number 10. And this is last box's case will be on a fresh case number 11.
Some people might give you one pizza for $9.99. Little Caesars gives you more because more is better. It's Little Caesars new more for $9.99 menu. Get two of your faves for only $9.99.
Throw the patch on the back. Kicking it off, we'll chase the Louter. It's the 49 Colin. Face Cal the Barge, the 49. Case by Cello. Oh, Zebby Matthews, clear cut auto. Some 99. 17.99 for the Z spots. Mito.
I wanted to gain new skills, so I earned my degree online.
Oh, James Tibbs, the 49. It's another clear cut blue for the J spot Colin. Oh, Desan Hill, 99. The D spot Colin. It's the Steel Rainbow Rafael Flores. The R spot Colin. Ooh, little button patch. 1 of 1. 101 Rafael. 101 Desan Hill. That's sick. Black and green. The D spot. Blackjack. Last box, the case mojo. Yeah, that's sharp. And 2, what a box. Carl Yastrzemski. The dual game used, I believe, 4-5. The C spot Colin.
I'm pregnant.
Authenticity, autograph, authentic autograph. Game used. Game used Yastrzemski. And sweet box. That's Black Jerk. The Barge. And Zebby. Yeah, great close that case.
Yeah, that's also championship chunk. Shots fired. That's an old one. Hyundai in the moment. I would say Aaron Gordon has been in the moment. He's 7 out of 7. He's got the same number of threes as the Warriors, who are 7 for 23. And he's already got the career high in threes, or tied his career high in threes. Maybe he did it in the first half. What you make in his first 24 minutes?
You know, I think Aaron Gordon is a perfect player for today's game.
That's box number 10. Number 11 is up. So jumping in, everybody.